This is the third CVT cleaning of my Bristol ATR160 with 8.77 K kilometer odometer reading and is 1.5 years old. Thanks for watching.